Hi friends, Regina Cruz Morales here with Lisa Harris, who is president of South Lake Art League located in downtown Claremont. And Lisa, I would love for you to tell us a little bit about the upcoming classes that you have for both children and adults.
Okay, thank you, Regina. We have classes almost daily. We have acrylic painting for adults on Mondays. We have classes for children every Tuesday, alternating Tuesdays. We have 4 to 7 years old on one Tuesday, 8 to 12 years old the following Tuesday. We have basket weaving classes. We have teenagers can come on Saturdays for the youth art club, and we have instructors come in and offer them free lessons.
Excellent. So you can go to southlakeartleague.com and check out the dates, times, instructors, pricing, all that fun stuff. So we hope you sign up your friends and family, and we'll see you down here soon.